So today we're in a 2017 Ford Raptor, and we are going to a car show for a benefit. We're gonna head out there, check out the car show, show off the Raptor, and you know what, have some fun. And going across town in a Raptor is not a bad way to be. So why are we going out to the car show today? Well, you know what, Lafayette always seems to come together when it's time, when somebody is in need. And this time, there's a family in Lafayette that their son that was 3 years old had a seizure and had some other problems and went to Ochsner's and ended up passing away after a few days. So the family needs some help getting through all of this. And they're putting on a car event and trying to raise some money to try to help this family out for this little boy. So we thought it was a valid reason to come out and represent Lafayette, Motor City, and hopefully give back to the community, give back to this family in need. But first, hi, I'm Jeff, and this is the Bayou Garage, where we're just a bunch of Cajuns playing around with every car, make and model, vehicle, motorcycle. You know what? If it's got a motor, we want to play with it and live a combustion-powered life. So welcome to the channel, and if it sounds like something you're into, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, stick with us, and we have one question for you. What's in your garage?
Hey, how you doing? Keith Jenkins here.
Kurt Cassidy.
We are here for the Cars and Kincaid for Kasen event. We are here to help raise awareness for pediatric stroke and to help raise money for the LeBeau family.
We're here to wrap our arms around and show some love to the LeBeau family who lost their 3-year-old son about a week ago. And this is the least we can do to show them we care and that we're thinking about them and do something for them that they can use to not worry about the finances. So, well, the least we can do.
Yeah, we definitely can do this throughout the community. Lafayette, all of Acadiana, Youngsville, everybody's been amazing donating stuff, time to this event, and we couldn't do it without the community. Thank you.
Never ceases to amaze me the generosity of this community. It's awesome.
You know what? This is what happens. Lafayette comes together, big group of people, support the cause, try to help them out, build some funds. You can do selfie mode.
Okay, that's cute.
And then what's really cool is like if it'll not move, just walk that way.
Okay. It follows. It's following me. That's creepy.
Taking donations for the family.
Sorry.
We'll track you everywhere you go.
That's creepy.
So this is what it looks like when Lafayette comes together and does something good for the community and does something good for a family that's just going through things that no one should ever go through. So, you know what? When you're hanging around your town and you hear about a car show that's supporting a good cause, go out there and support it. You know, throw in a few bucks, help out, eat some king cake or whatever's going on at your events, because it's what it's all about, and trying to support others and just trying to make it a better place and a better world. So, show you a few more cars. We gotta get back to work. Look at this. Lafayette just comes out in support. You know, wouldn't you want some love if you lost someone you loved? Well, that's what we're doing.